Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look at Compliance Score. So, Compliance Score measures progress in completing recommended improvement actions within controls. The score helps organization to understand its current compliance posture. It also helps organizations to prioritize actions based on their potential to reduce risk. Admins can get a breakdown of the compliance score in the Compliance Manager overview pane. So, here's a visual showing the compliance score breakdown, and these are divided into categories such as protect information, control access, govern information, and manage devices. So, the overall compliance score is calculated using scores that are assigned to actions. Actions come in two types. The first is your improved actions, which are actions that the organization is expected to manage. And the second are Microsoft actions, and these are actions that Microsoft manages for the organization. So, actions are categorized as mandatory, discretionary, preventative, detective, or corrective. The first is mandatory, so these are actions that shouldn't be bypassed. And we have discretionary. These actions depend on the user's understanding and adhering to a policy. We'll talk about the other three actions in the next slide since they're in a subcategory. So organizations accumulate points for every action completed, and the compliance score is shown as a percentage representing all the actions completed. The visual here shows us the list of improvement actions, and for each one that's completed, you can gain points, which would increase your overall compliance score. So for this example, you're seeing plus 27 points for all the improvement actions you've completed. So back to the type of actions, the following are subcategories of actions that can be classified as mandatory or discretionary. So preventative actions are designed to handle specific risks, like using encryption to protect data at rest if there were breaches or attacks. We have detective actions, and these actively monitor systems to identify irregularities that could represent risks, or that can be used to detect breaches or intrusions. And there's corrective actions, so these help admins to minimize the adverse effects of security incidents by undertaking corrective measures to reduce their immediate effect or possibly even reverse damage. So that's compliance score and its benefits towards an organization.